Fitify Review. Pricing explained, what you get for your money. Fitify isn't just another fitness app. You won't believe the level of personalization it offers. Most people get this wrong by assuming it only provides standard workout routines. The surprising truth is Fitify creates AI-driven programs tailored to your goals, fitness level, available equipment, and even time constraints. Pricing is simple and flexible. The free version offers basic workouts with limited access to the library. The Pro subscription costs $99 per month or $99 annually, unlocking full access to over 850 exercises, personalized plans, and detailed progress tracking. You won't believe the value in customization. The AI adapts your plan weekly based on performance and feedback, ensuring continuous improvement without guessing what's next. Most people get this wrong by only comparing it to generic fitness apps. The real value comes from personalized programming, video tutorials, and the ability to train anywhere, home, gym, or outdoors. Users often find that even a short daily session produces measurable results thanks to adaptive planning. In conclusion, Fitify pricing is transparent and worth it for anyone serious about structured training. By understanding subscription benefits, personalization, and access to the exercise library, you go from zero to pro in evaluating whether Fitify provides real value for your fitness goals. It's an investment in smarter, more effective workouts.